Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start computer class. You can take out a computer book, chapter 8. This is the last chapter in your book. You can say this chapter 8, page number 64, file management and introduction. So today we are going to learn how to create a file, how to copy file management. Okay. So you can see page number 64. Learning objectives. Children will be able to develop an awareness on the importance of file management. Save a file in a specific path. So this is the activities work. You can do this in your book. This is your homework. Where do you store these things? Match the following. You have to match these pictures in your book. Okay. Now in next page, suppose you draw pictures in MS Pen or type a letters in Wattpad. After completing the task, what do? You simply save it in your computer. So yesterday I have told you, in previous class I have told you what you have to do when you have finished your work in MS Pen or in Wattpad. So you have to save your documents. Okay. First you have to create a file and you can save your documents. Now we save our work in files and these files are further saved in folders. So we can save our work in a files and further it will be saved in a folders. Okay. Now how to create a file? First you have to learn how to create a file in a computer. Okay. File can be created in any program in Windows. After working in a program, when you save your work and give it a name, a file is created. So whenever you want to save, for example, this is the example, you have make a drawing in a MS Pen. So you want to save a file. How you will save? Like in MS Pen program, after finishing your drawing, follow the following step to save it. So there are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Click on click on pen button on the upper left portion in window. A drop down menu will appear there. So you can click there in pen button and the screen will appear here like this. This is a save and save as. There are some features. Step 2. Click on save as option. A save as menu will appear. Step 3. So you have to click on save as button. Okay. Now step 3, from left pane select the location like desktop where you want to save your file. So you have to select on a left button. You have to click on a left pen button. Okay. Now step 4, you have to type a name. Now you have to type the name like Vikas. There is an example, name Vikas in file name box. Step 5, now click on save button. So you have written your name, for example your name is Vikas, so you can write a name in a file box. Okay. Step 5, whenever you have finished your name, so you can click here as a save. Your file will be saved on desktop with the name of Vikas. You can access it anytime. So whenever you have saved the file in any name, you can open the file in any time. You can check your file in any time. Okay. So these are the examples. You can follow the steps. What is a folder? Now what is a folder? A folder is a place where many files are stored. In other words, multiple files are contained in a folder. So what is a folder? A folder where they have many files. It saves the many files. There are many files they stored. In other multiple files are contained in a folder. A folder may also contain different other folders with files in them. It means there may be both files and folder inside a folder. To see them, follow the following step. In folder, you can see many files. For example, your drawing, your typing, you have save a file like typing, you have written a letter, you have written essay, you have written a short poem in a file. So whenever you want to open the file, you can go on a folder and you can, in folder you can see many, you can see videos or you can see drawing or you can see your files name. There are so many files name like my documents, pictures, animation. So in a folder there are so many features that you can see. Okay. Now step 1, how to click on user icon on desktop. You have to click on user icons. And step 2, click on my documents folder. You can see many files and folders here. So when you want to open your files, you have to go na my document. So in my documents you will see many folders. Okay. Now creating a folder. How to create a folder in a computer? To create a folder, follow the following steps. Step 1, move the mouse pointer to the empty space on the desktop. You have to move the mouse in an empty space. खाली जगह पे आप लोगों को क्लिक करना है. Next, step 2, right click, right option, or click once with the right button and the mouse. So खाली जगह पे जब आप लोग क्लिक करते हैं, whenever you are clicking in empty place, you will click right click button, okay, on a mouse. Now step 3, for drop down menu, select new option. For now you can select new option. Then what will appear there? Click the folder option, you get a new folder on the desktop. When you will click on a folder, you will get on a new option. Now type the name of a folder as required. For example, first folder. Now you have a folder on the desktop and you can store files in it. So your folder is ready. You can write a name on a folder. You can keep a name on a folder also. Okay. Now how to move a file or folder? How to move from one place to another? You can see you can move one or more files or folders from one place to another. To move a file or folders, follow the following step. When you want to move a file or folders, you can follow the step. Step 1, click one or more files or folder to be moved. Right click the mouse and click the cut option. So you want to move a mouse. For yesterday in previous class I have told you, when you want to paste a folder, a file or a pictures in another place, you will click right button mouse and you will cut the picture. There will be appear some options and you will go on a cut option. Okay, you will click cut. And next what you will do, step 3, click the location where the file is to be moved. Open the folder by double clicking it. So you want to move on a desktop. Your folder you want to keep on a desktop, you will click desktop and you will click right button and you can paste there. Okay, so these are the examples that you can do in your home also. Now we have finished the chapter 8. This is the last chapter in your book. Revise the chapter from 1 to 8. Now we are going to do exercise work. So you can see, tick the correct option. We save work in a file for reference past. The file contains graphic and text both. A folder within a folder is called subfolder. Fill in the blanks. This is your homework. You can do by yourself. You have to read the book also. Now write true or false. A folder within a folder is called subfile. No, a folder within a folder is called subfolder, not a subfiles. False. A folder is a place to store one or more files. Yes, a folder is a place you can store many files. The files are contained in a folder. Yes, true. Now this is your homework. You can do this in your copy. Exercise A, B and C. Okay. We have finished the chapter. How to create a folder, how to paste a folder and how to save a folder, how to save a file. So we have learned, practice at your home. Okay. So for today, this much. Thank you. Have a good day.